One common reason is a change in business size or structure. If you're a small startup that's scaling down or a larger enterprise that's restructuring, the features and pricing of your current jobber plan might no longer be the best fit. You might find that you're paying for features you no longer need or that a more basic plan would suffice. Another reason could be the adoption of an alternative software solution. The landscape of business software is constantly evolving, with new tools and platforms emerging regularly. You might have discovered a different field service management software that offers features more tailored to your specific industry or one that integrates more seamlessly with your existing tech stack. In such cases, consolidating your tools onto a single, more efficient platform can lead to cost savings and improved workflow. Budgetary constraints can also play a significant role in the decision to cancel a subscription. Software costs can add up, especially for small businesses operating on tight margins. If you're looking for ways to reduce overhead, evaluating your existing subscriptions and identifying those that are no longer essential is a prudent step. Finally, changes in your service offerings or business focus might necessitate a change in your software needs. If you're pivoting to a different type of service that doesn't align with Jobber's core functionalities, or if you're streamlining your offerings to focus on a niche that requires specialized tools, then moving away from Jobber might be the logical choice. Whatever your reason for considering cancellation, it's essential to approach the process methodically. Before you even think about clicking any cancel buttons, there are a few crucial steps you should take to prepare. First and foremost, take some time to review your current Jobber plan and billing cycle. Understand when your subscription renews and what the cancellation terms are. This information is usually available in your account settings or in the initial subscription agreement. Knowing your billing cycle will help you avoid unexpected charges, especially if you need to cancel a certain number of days before the renewal date. Next, back up all your important data. Jobber likely holds a wealth of information about your clients, appointments, invoices, and more. Before you cancel your subscription, ensure you've exported all the data you might need for your records or to import into a new system. Jobber typically offers options to export data in various formats, such as CSV or Excel files. Take the time to understand the export process and ensure all critical information is safely backed up. Consider any integrations you have set up with Jobber. If you're using Jobber in conjunction with other tools like QuickBooks, Zapier, or specific payment processors, canceling your Jobber subscription will likely disrupt these integrations. Make a list of all your integrations and plan how you will manage these workflows once Jobber is no longer in the picture. You might need to find alternative integration methods with your new software or adjust your processes accordingly. Finally, communicate with your team about the impending cancellation. Ensure everyone who uses Jobber is aware of the timeline and any changes to their workflow. This will help avoid confusion and ensure a smoother transition. Now that you've taken the necessary preparatory steps, let's delve into the actual process of canceling your Jobber subscription. While the exact steps might vary slightly depending on your specific plan and any recent updates to the Jobber interface, the general process usually involves one of two primary methods: canceling through your account settings or contacting Jobber support directly. Method 1. Canceling through your account settings. This is often the most straightforward way to cancel your subscription. Here's a general guide to how you might do it. Log in to your Jobber account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Jobber website. Enter your login credentials, usually your email address and password, to access your account. Navigate to your account settings. Once you're logged in, look for a section labeled Settings, Account, Subscription, or something similar. This is typically found in a drop-down menu associated with your profile name or a gear icon. Find the Subscription or Billing section. Within your account settings, you should find a subsection related to your subscription details and billing information. Click on this section. Look for cancellation options. On the subscription or billing page, you should see details about your current plan, billing frequency, and payment method. Look for a button or link that says something like Cancel Subscription, Manage Subscription, or Change Plan. Follow the cancellation prompts. Clicking on the cancellation option will likely lead you through a series of prompts. These might include asking you to confirm your decision, provide a reason for cancellation, optional but helpful for Jobber's feedback, and acknowledge the terms of cancellation. Confirm your cancellation. Carefully read all the information presented during the cancellation process. Make sure you understand when your subscription will end and what will happen to your data. Once you're confident, click the final button to confirm your cancellation. Check for confirmation. After you've completed the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation email from Jobber. Keep this email for your records as proof of cancellation. Also, check your Jobber account to ensure that your subscription status has been updated to canceled or similar. Method 2. Contacting Jobber support directly. If you can't find a clear cancellation option within your account settings, or if you prefer to speak with a representative, contacting Jobber support directly is another viable option. Here's how you can typically do this. Find Jobber's contact information. Navigate to the Jobber website and look for a Contact Us or Support page. Here, you should find their phone number, email address, or live chat options. Reach out to support, choose your preferred method of contact, and get in touch with Jobber's customer support team. Clearly state your intention to cancel. When you connect with a representative, clearly and concisely state that you wish to cancel your Jobber subscription. Provide them with your account details, account name, email address, etc., to help them locate your account quickly. Follow their instructions. The support representative will guide you through the cancellation process. They might need to verify your identity or ask for a reason for cancellation. Follow their instructions carefully. Request confirmation. Once the cancellation is processed, make sure to ask for a confirmation email or a reference number for your cancellation request. Keep this information for your records. Follow up if necessary. If you don't receive a confirmation within a reasonable time frame, don't hesitate to follow up with Jobber support to ensure your cancellation has been processed correctly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.